Sekarang ni saya ada dekat kita ada dekat pilih Damansara High. Penanya Ken. Ken hari tu saya dah buat video e-brake Ken. Tapi kali ni tajuk showcase e-brake. Kali ni showcase e-brake lagi tapi yang ni tajuk lain.
Tajuk apa hari ni?
Tajuk what happen when we are nice to others.
Okay, so are you ready?
I nervous.
Nervous? You can do it, Kalish. This is not your first time. I wish you all the best, okay? You can do it, trust me.
So, jom kita pergi dulu. Lepas tu, kita pergi lunch.
Sampai. Wow. Theme dia Sakura, Wawiu. Ni bahaya ni. Untuk budak-budak ni bahaya. Dekat betul. Tengok tu. So, kita kena register dulu. Cantik setup dia stage dia besar
Macam Jepun pula.
Okay, jom pergi register. Come. Banyak daripada different branches. Ada Cyberjaya, Sri Petaling, Bandar Rimbayu, Kelang, Ampang, Subang, Kota Warisan. Kita Shah Alam. Kalish. Smile, Kalish. Jangan nervous sangat. You can do it, okay? Duduk sini, baca je. Baca your line, okay? Sampai you hafal, okay? You can do it. Yakin tak? Confident kan? You can do it kan? It's not for your first time.
Hardworking students who have been practicing their public speaking skills and growing in confidence week after week. Students, when you hear your name, please walk confidently to the stage, give a big smile, and stand in a nice line facing the
Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Today I want to talk about what happened when you were nice to someone. Firstly, kindness makes people happy. When you are say nice words or help someone, you can brighten their day. Give her a simple smile, a thank you can make life feel special. Kindness makes everyone feel happy. Second, when you are nice to others, it will inspire others to make nice to other people too. If you help others, people will help another person tomorrow. Help to encourage others from one person to another, just like a chain of smile. Finally, being nice will make a strong friendship. When you are nice to some people, people will trust you, respect you, and enjoy spending time with you. So let's choose to be kind and nice every day. Let's make people smile today. Remember, kindness is free, but it's not everything. Thank you for listening to my speech. Goodbye.
That was an amazing speech. Before you go, can I ask you a question?
Yes.
can I have Kalish to the stage? Smile to the camera.
Okay. One. Alright. Smile. One, two, three. Again. One, two, three.
Next, can I have his family to the stage? Give us a big smile.
Give a big smile. One, two, three. Again. One, two, three. Okay.
Alright, thank you.
Okay. Right. Okay. One, two, three. Smile. Okay. One, two, three. Bigger smile. One, two, three.
I cannot see you.
Alright. Okay. One, two, three. Okay. Nice.
Alright, so now I would like to call the parents to be on stage to take a picture with the mascot as well.
Right. Okay.
Okay.
Right. Let me see if I see everyone. Okay. Right. Now everybody, I need you guys to look at the camera.
Look at the camera, everyone.
Okay, and smile. One, two, three. Don't cover your face. One, two, three. Okay.
Okay. Alright, good job everyone. Thank you. You may go down stage now.
Sekarang dah selesai, jadi sekarang kita nak pergi makan tadi. Saya akan tunjuk kat mana kita akan makan.
Selesai. Awak pakai jersey apa ni? Bukan France dah kalah ke semalam?
Yalah.
Yalah. France kalah tak sempat masuk final lah. Macam mana? Kita tunggu lagi 4 tahun lah.
Jersey je Mami.
Okey lah. Awak peminat setia Mbappe ke?
Banyak lagi kat sini.
Okey. Ada tunggu lagi 4 tahun lah
Banyak lagi saya kali Cristiano Ronaldo, Buffon,
Siapa lagi yang minat?
Yamal, banyak lagi.
Banyak lagi. Semua minat ke? Awak minat football ke? Ni, Risa seorang tu dapat belon dah. Seronok.
Budak ni memang suka bulun.
Apa dia?
Budak ni memang suka balun.
Budak tu Budak tu adik awak tau.
Anulah. Adik dia ni.
Neil. So kita makan lunch dulu
Lepas tu saya nak main bola dekat jarang guna bola friend saya tu.
Jom. Let's go eat. Let's lunch. Lunch. Hello, Tabo Dinosaur. Saya makan nasi lemak. Sedapnya. Sedap dek? Mami makan Maggi. Indomie.
Hai, Assalamualaikum. Ini berita. Media. Kakak. Apa cerita pasal awak hari ni?
Apa beli roti? Ada bomboloni. Ush, tengok banyaknya. Wow, boleh cheesecake. Apa lagi dia tengok? Kek pula.
Macam sudah jadi dah bagi terakal lah dah macam apa tu jelly dah gitu dah. Sakit. Ya, jangan keluar. Bila abang suruh baru.
Hidung darah boleh gelak, tak faham.
1 week later.
Kita berada di PJ untuk breakfast hari ni. Jom. Let's go. Look at that. Ooh. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Tengok breakfast kita pada hari ini sama best friend kita. Hari ni makan apa? Nasi lemak. Baby, bisa apa tu?
Many hours later.
Assalamualaikum semua orang. Ini saya ada challenge. So let's look who win.
Registration. Oh, Little Ninja Dojos ni dia ada banyak dia ada Ninjutsu, Muay Thai, Taekwondo, Gymnastik, Karate, K-pop, Dance and Brazilian. So sekarang Kaish masuk Ninjutsu. Abang apa?
Abang win.
Abang win, okay? Tengok.
Abang win. Tahulah adik. Abang win.
You can do it, abang cakap.
Mami dengar. Can do it.
About to start. Semua dah line up ni untuk kategori 8 hingga 9 tahun Untuk ni the fastest punch, main diorang kena punch as fast as they can. Can do it. Sikit lagi. Focus, relax. Antara Khalis dengan tu. Persaingan sengit ni. Ush, macam mana ni? Sengit ni. Taekwondo surah ninjutsu. Macam mana ni persaingan sengit ni? Coach pun pening ni. Ada discussion kat sini. Apa yang sedang mereka cuba discuss Nak cari siapa pemenang ni China ni. Push.
Saya selalu cuba buat benda tu kat practice dekat sekolah.
Dia ke seorang? Kat sekolah? Dia dah buat apa benda dia buat kat sini. Terbaiklah Kalish. Hebatlah Kalish.
Winner for the fastest kick would be Khalid. Let's take a photo, guys. And the fastest punch goes again to Khalid.
Dia paling nervous tu.
Never underestimate the silver medal for accurate kick goes to Khalid. And the gold winner for accurate kick is you.
Muka dia.
Prize to Khalid.
Empat medal.
The winner of gold medal, Khalid. Alright, the final goal for highest kick goes to Ethan.
Kali dapat 4 medal dulu. Banyak. Satu kategori tak dapat. Yang mana satu? 2 gold, 2 silver. Apa yang tak dapat tu? Strongest, higher. The highest tu tak apa Ke accurate? Kita tengok balik. Ya, guys. Comel lah kan.
If we have some time before our
Berat je leher. Berat leher. Good job, abang. Coach Kali kata Kalish very focus. Coach ni kata Kalish ada potential. Kali kata I focus, very calm and very focused. Coach cakap. Last year you won apa?
The sword.
Papa ambil gambar. Well done, Kalish. I'm so proud of you. Berat tak leher tu?
Tak.
Boleh kan? Boleh kan? Oh, daripada jauh boleh dengar tu bunyi gedegung-gedegung. Tak hilang Kalish. Kalish kalau hilang kita tahu dekat mana. Sebab tu bunyi bunyi medal dia. Gedegung sebab tu. Khadijah dan aiskrim. Berpisah tiada.
Hidup. Saya tak suka sejuk. I love hot.
Tak suka sejuk jangan makan aiskrim lah. Nak hot. Excuse me Khadijah. Orang bawa tu.
A few moments later.
So kita dah settle apa semua. Dan sekarang saya ada dekat Subang Parit.
Buat apa Subang Parit? Buat apa kat Subang Parit?
Nak beli ubat papa. Lepas tu kita makan. Lepas beli ubat papa kita makan dekat sini kot. Kita dinner. Lepas tu, kita lah. Alhamdulillah saya dapat winner 2 silver 2 gold.
Alhamdulillah.
4 medal. Redan abang. No problem. I love you mami.
Begitu adik Kalish.
Dan so lepas beli ubat papa, kita pergi makan dulu.
Okay.
Belum habis lagi video ni. Tak habis lagi.
Okey, jom.
Saya nak
Makan.
buat video lama sikit untuk korang.
Okey, jom makan.
Okay, let's go. Kita baru lepas makan sekarang kita nak masak ni sekarang. Dan selamat berjumpa at the next episode. Jangan lupa subscribe, like, comment and share. Assalamualaikum.